Da ni'n fyw. Croeso i Facebook Live, busnesa Llandrillomenau. Mae Gareth Hughes a Julie Stokes-Jones yn ymuno â ni. Welcome to the Facebook Live for Group Llandrillomenau. We're going to be talking about the CIST Centre, which is part of Business Art and based at Llangefni. Da ni'n neud y trafodaeth yma yn Saesneg heddiw, ond os mae yna cyfle i gofyn cwestiynau trwy'r tudalen Facebook, mae croeso chi gofyn cwestiynau yn Gymraeg, ac y bwriad ydy recordio'r sgwrs yma offline a neud o a rhoi o ar gael i gwmnïau watchad rhywbryd wsos nesaf pan gawn ni gyfle. Felly ymlaen â ni, so here we go. We're going to dive straight in. I'm going to go straight to Gareth. I've mentioned the word CIST. You can see we've all got our CIST t-shirts on. It's quite a new brand for business art. Can you tell us what CIST stands for, please, Gareth, and a little bit about the place?
CIST is called the Centre for Infrastructure Skills and Technology. It's got a huge scale and scope to it, and our strength is an unrivaled portfolio of courses, the quality of our facilities and the calibre of our delivery partners. Our training programme portfolio is designed to directly support employer needs, developed and adapted under the guidance of expert partners and sector stakeholders. This wouldn't have been possible without the funding from Welsh Government and obviously the investment by Group Llandrillomenau to establish CIST as a training destination.
Thanks, Gareth. And maybe could you just introduce yourself and what your job title is? I should have asked you at the beginning. I'm sorry.
That's fine. So my name's Gareth Hughes, and I'm a project development lead. Looking at construction, energy, STEM, and innovation.
Fantastic, mate. We're going to go to Julie for the next question, but before we do that, Julie, maybe just a little intro to yourself.
Yes, hello, good afternoon. My name's Julie. I'm the Business Development Advisor for Business Art. And my particular sectors are construction, engineering and energy. And there are several of us working in the team. So I cover Anglesey and North Gwynedd. And we have Zoe Kelly, she covers Conwy and Denbighshire. And we have Christine and Iona down in South Gwynedd. So there's a team of us there to assist companies with their skills and training.
Fantastic, thank you. I think it's worth mentioning here that we're doing a Facebook Live next week with all the business development advisors. Hopefully they'll all be available. So we'll go through that. But moving swiftly on, Gareth, can you explain a bit about CIST and maybe some of the training and services that we offer through this unique department?
Yeah, we've got a wide range of training provision. If we look at health and safety, so we deliver NEBOSH courses, IOSH courses, we deliver the CITB Site Safety Plus courses, we deliver PASMA, working at heights courses, scaffold courses, and what else do we run? We run plant training as well, in terms of, if you think about a 360-degree excavator, we've got accreditation to run those. What else do? We can deliver some bespoke training as well, which is unique. If you've got any specialist training needs that you need, then please come and speak to us. We can deliver virtually anything that you need to ensure that we deliver what the client wants.
Okay, that's really interesting. Julie, you're in contact with the clients and have been throughout this period now.
Definitely, yeah. I work with a range of companies, different sizes, from international companies like Babcock from RAF Valley to food manufacturing companies in Carnarvon, on Anglesey as well, and other engineering companies. I work closely with the construction industry as well, and we've been in contact throughout this, because obviously the construction didn't shut down completely, so we're constantly talking and adapting. So we have adapted a number of our courses, and we've tried to be as flexible as possible. So our most popular courses at the moment are the CITB Site Safety Plus courses. So they have been running for over a month now, and they've we've been very busy.
Oh, that's good. So are we doing those online then? Is that because we do have, we've altered our provision, haven't we?
Definitely, we've adapted, so we offer a range of courses remotely, and they are advertised on our website under remote courses, and on there's a list of remote courses from the CITB Site Safety Plus, from the NEBOSH. We've just started this week the NEBOSH General course as well, and that's a full course. So another cohort will be starting in September. We have run a number of courses for companies who are key workers, so for the forklift truck, so those are delivered partly kind of online, and then they will be delivered, the practical side will be delivered then on site in Llangefni when everything starts to get back to the new normal.
The new normal, whatever that may be. I think it's probably important to add here, isn't it? When we're talking about these distance learning courses, you're not signing on all by yourself. This is tutor-led online learning as opposed to a online course that you kind of navigate yourself.
Yeah, all the courses that we deliver remotely are all tutor-led online, so all the learners get access to a SharePoint where we share the information with them, and then we do tutorials as well, which is on a one-to-one basis if any of our learners have got any questions or concerns moving forward.
Oh, that's really good to know. So tell us some more about the facilities, Gareth. But before you do that, if there's anybody watching and they've got any questions that they'd like us to answer, just put them in the comments on Facebook, and we can, or just say hello if you want. That would be nice, and we can see what we can do to answer those for you. So Gareth, over to you. Facilities. Facilities
wise, so we've got the CIST Centre, which has 4 training rooms within it. We've got individual test rooms as well for one-to-one tests and assessments. Part of our portfolio, we've also got the scaffold training structures, which are all indoors in a state-of-the-art facility. We've got underground utility detection area, which again is second to none within North Wales and wider. We've got the heavy plant or the plant training area, which is CPCS accredited. We have the ACS Gas Centre, which is predominantly to deliver gas safe training to heating engineers. What else do we have in our portfolio? We've got a forklift truck training area, which is a practical assessment area, which is unique for the college. And that's about it really in terms of our facilities. They're all world class. We've got one of the best facilities within North Wales and the wider region.
Thanks for that. Thank you. What about the? Before I ask you about the partners, are there any, Julie? Are there any companies who've undertaken any training? During the lockdown period, so the online provision that maybe you just want to give a mention to, or just so people get an idea of the type of people we are dealing with.
Yeah, of course. Well, while on furlough, people can still engage with training, so that's quite important just to note, because if as an individual that you would like more information on training, then you're more than welcome to comment put the comment in the box, and we'll get in touch with you. But we've worked with throughout this, local authorities have been booking people on the NEBOSH courses. We've been organising or coordinating for food manufacturing companies as well. And we've also been planning for the housing associations as well. So a range from individuals to SMEs to very large companies. So yeah.
So a number of courses we've delivered a number of courses. A number of courses have just switched to online, really, haven't they, as well? So that's everything. Everything's still going on here at business as usual.
Yes, we're still busy.
Yeah, we are open.
Yeah. We've had the one comment on our Facebook. It's Heather, one of our colleagues, saying hello. So Heather is a business development advisor as well, covering Anglesey and Gwynedd in the sort of management sector.
Heather works with me in Llangefni, so yes.
Yeah. Before we sort of go on to talk about our partners, Julie, let's do the mug thing, because we've got we've got, I feel like Saturday Live, if anybody remembers Saturday Live. We've got some CIST mugs. They're very nice. They're great. Oh, Zoe's here as well, watching. They're great for on a building site.
Yeah.
Or working outside. They enamel with the CIST logo, and we've got 10 of those. So if you would like us to send you one of these when we're back up and running, please put your address in a direct message or send us an email, put an email address below, and we will send you a CIST mug. Gareth says we can send 10. And we will send them just as soon as we can get them from the office, which shouldn't be too long before at least one person goes in. So there we go. That's our giveaway for today. Steve's saying hello as well. That's another colleague. Steve is a WPO and he is concerned with the engineering sector. Building, I think, is covered as well. Julie, you work with Steve.
Yeah, Steve Adams is the work placement officer for engineering and construction for South Gwynedd. So for apprenticeships, he's the one to speak to.
Fantastic. Hopefully we'll have Steve on here talking live sometime soon. So partners, Gareth.
Partners, right. We've got a variety of different partners, all leading in their sort of specialist sectors, to say the least. So in terms of scaffolding, it's we've partnered up with Simeon Risk, who are based in Warrington. They specialise in scaffolding training. In terms of the plant training, we've partnered up with ARC Group, who are based in South Wales. In terms of our working at height, we've partnered up with Spanset, who are based in Middlewich in England. In terms of the CITB Site Safety Plus, we've partnered up with Premier Construction Training. NEBOSH, we've partnered up with Dell Safety, who are based in Mould. And then we've partnered up with Islands Training in terms of the forklift truck and material handling courses. What I would like to add as well, we've got two really high-profile technology partners with us as well, namely Leica Geosystems, who are part of our sort of digital construction sort of portfolio courses that we will be delivering soon, alongside with M&P Survey. And in terms of the gas centre, we've partnered up with Worcester Bosch, who provide us with all our equipment.
That's fantastic. So these courses that we're doing, they are, they're very specialist for the construction and engineering industry, and there is, for companies who want to do these, Julie, who might, is there any sort of way they can access any funding or any sort of help with this? Yeah.
I would be here all day if I went through all of the funding schemes available. So what I would suggest is that you would contact one of the BDAs, myself, for Anglesey and Gwynedd, Zoe for Conwy and Denbighshire, and Ion and Christine for South Gwynedd, and we could go through the different funding schemes available to you. Because for engineering companies, there are a set of funding schemes, and then for the construction, if they're a member of CITB, then obviously you've got the grants and funding there. So each company is individual, and also we need to make sure that we fit the needs of your business really with regards to the funding. And of course, we also now have funding available for individuals as well. So if anybody out there fancies going on one of our courses, then again, get in touch and we will be able to point you in the right direction really.
And could that be somebody who's looking to get into the industry?
Definitely, yes, definitely as well. Yes, there's a new project, a part of Grŵp Llandicho Menai, the personal learning account. So if they go onto the Grŵp Llandicho Menai website, they could have a look there. Because like any, and that's the reason I would be here all day, because there's a lot of eligibility criteria for all the funding schemes. Yeah. So it's important to take note of those when looking at different funding.
That's really helpful, Julie. How do people get in touch with you for people listening? Yona's watching as well, by the way, a colleague.
Hi, Yona.
Hi, Yona.
Okay, so I think moving with the times, instead of me giving you the phone number, because somebody would answer the phone number. I don't know if is the phone number on the screen here.
It's not on the screen today, but it is on the business app page that everybody can access there.
There you go. But obviously link up with us on social media. We've got a Facebook page here. Send us a direct message on here. We'll get in touch with you straight away. We also have a Twitter page and we also have a LinkedIn page. You can also get in touch with us by email. Busnes, the old-fashioned, the Welsh busnes, so busnes @gllm.ac.uk. Did I say that correctly then?
Yes.
I think so. After a fashion.
Business. Yeah. So send us an email and we'll get in touch.
I'll put a link. What I'll do after, I'll put a link to all our online courses where you can see the CIST provision that's available now. I'll put the link below and I'll put an email contact as well there for anybody who might want to have an offline discussion with Julie or one of her colleagues, and that can be done through a Zoom meeting or hangout, whatever really.
Whatever's easiest. Well, yeah, because I think at the beginning I was getting in touch with everybody on Hangout and talking. I think I've reverted back to the phone now because obviously the way we look and everything has changed.
Yeah, that is growing out of control. Before we wind up completely, Gareth, you probably need to say something about our friends in the CITB and the levy and the accreditation.
Yeah, that's fine. So CIST is a CITB approved training organisation. So again, if you work in the construction sector and you pay the levy, then there are grants available for you to do some of our courses that are eligible for grant funding through CITB. And that's a good way of getting some grant funding to get some courses and your staff trained up and skilled. Yeah. I'd also say that we've got CPCS accreditation. We're an IOSH accredited centre as well. We're a PASMA accredited centre. We're Ladders Association accredited as well. And that portfolio is building as we build more and more courses. So please do get in touch.
Fantastic, thank you. So just to summarise our conversation today, CIST is based in Llangefni. We are part of Group Canolfan and Business At. We're servicing the construction and the engineering industries with a range of very specialised courses. Maybe I'll get Gareth to run through before we finish. There is scope to maybe fund some of these courses, but you will need to speak to somebody, a Julie or a colleague, in order to find out if you're eligible. It's a centre that's evolving. We're building expertise here in Llangefni where people might have to have travelled quite some way to do these courses in the past. That's no longer essential. You can come to the Llangefni campus where CIST is based, and CIST is part of Business At. Christine has joined us here now, Christine Evans, she's saying hello.
Christine.
So yeah, in a nutshell, anything I've missed?
No, can I just repeat? There's 10 of these available. So send us a message and we'll send one in the post for you.
Yep.
Excellent.
And just to reiterate what Claire's just mentioned now, if you look at, we deliver scaffolding training, plant operations, forklift and materials handling, working at height, CITB Site Safety Plus, digital construction, underground detection. We deliver gas and electrical courses. We've got e-learning, distance learning, and predominantly we've got health and safety courses as well. So please do feel free to get in touch.
And there are courses available to do now. We'll put the link below to our remote offer, and they are tutor-led online courses. Thank you very much, Julie and Gareth. We are going to be going live again next week with a team of BDAs. You all heard it here first if you're listening. 10:30 next Thursday for a bring your own coffee break. Get to meet everybody and find out what it is these friendly group of colleagues can do for you and your business. So thank you very much for watching, everybody who tuned in. We'll put the links below and we will get this conversation recorded in Welsh and have it available next week. Diolch. Diolch Julie, diolch Gareth, diolch pawb.
Ta.
Ta-ta.
Ta.